everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have all the fall vibes right now. I got my fall-y scarf, although it's a little more pink, so maybe it's a little more spring, but it has leaves, so I feel like it's fall. I have a bunch of fall colored fake flowers. I have my autumn harvest Yankee candle going. I am ready for fall. Today we're going to be making a fall wreath from supplies I got from the dollar store. Like everything's from the dollar store except for my scissors and tape. So I got this little foam circle. The sticker says it's a craft floral foam. It's only 9.8 inches around, which is actually kind of small. Like it's smaller than my head. Well, it kind of fits my head. This was really all they had, so I was like, well, it's $1, we're just gonna try it. Then I got some ribbon. As you can see here, it's got a really pretty fall color to it. It just looks shiny because it's in the packaging, but I thought this would be really good for it too. And then I got 4 little bouquets of fake fall colored flowers. They're all different styles as well. And then I just have my tape and scissors as well. What I'm thinking is taking this wreath and covering it in the ribbon and then poking holes in the foam and sticking the flowers in. I have 3 yards. I think I'm just gonna literally start and I'm gonna tape the end here of the ribbon and then just wrap it around. Tape down part of the ribbon. And now we're literally just gonna turn it all around the wreath. Okay, so I just finished wrapping the ribbon around. And I thought, like I'm overlapping it really close. Like I'm not leaving a ton of space before I wrap it around again. And I thought that was fine, but I just ran out of space on my wreath. So we're gonna just kind of spread some of these really tightly wrapped ribbons around a little bit until we cover the whole thing. Perfect. Okay, now the whole thing is covered. So there are a couple spots where the ribbon, like you can see the green. Just move the ribbon a little bit. Okay, so we have the last bit of ribbon here. I'm just gonna tape it so that it sticks. I'm just using regular like gift wrapping tape, nothing special. I think I'm gonna put 2 strips just to make sure it stays. Perfect. Okay, so this is our wreath. So honestly, this is really cute as it is. And by the way, with the ribbon and this, we're at $2 right here. Without the flowers, this is a $2 craft. So I think this is really cute as it is. I'm just gonna try to add the flowers just because I think they'll be really pretty. And the good news is if it totally fails, I still have this. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, ooh, okay, these fake flowers just come right off the stem. I'm just gonna take a couple of them off. And I think I'm gonna make a hole with my scissors. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a hole with my scissors and just stick them in there. I'm just going now, and I'm just kind of placing the flowers where I think might be a good idea for them, a good spot for them. And then I'll kind of figure out from there where I want to actually put them. Okay, so even though I bought all these flowers, I don't think I'm going to use all of them. I think what I'm going to do is use 4 of the red ones and then 3 orangey, more sunflower type ones. And we'll do that. Okay, so I want to do the first ones up top. Okay, this is like not going through the ribbon. Like I can hear that the foam is being indented, but the ribbon just won't cut. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, perfect. All right, so I just stuck the scissors in a bunch. And now I'm just gonna stick in the stem here of my flower. Project. I only ended up using 2 of the 4 stems I bought of flowers, and I only used about half what was on each fake flower little stem. So I personally wanted to see more of the ribbon, so I did it that way, but it's totally up to you guys how you want to do it. But this is the final product. I think it is super, super cute. Some of the flowers I do wish were like sticking out a little bit more. I might try to play with them and get them to stick out a little bit more. But I essentially only used 2 flower stems, the ribbon, and then the little craft foam, which is a total of $4, you guys. $4 to make this. So I am so excited. Now I have some fake plants laying around too. I can stick around my apartment because I love flowers, and in New England you cannot get real flowers when it gets colder out. It's just too hard. So I am so excited to go put this on the door and have everyone see it and just get so excited for fall. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I'm glad we got through this together. I just kind of had an idea and saw something similar on Pinterest and just decided to go for it. So I'm glad it ended up working out really well. I hope you guys enjoy watching this and make this yourself. This literally took me 10 minutes, and it only took 10 minutes because I had to redo the ribbon part. It was seriously super simple and so fun, and this will add so much to your door. So hope you guys like this. If you do like this, please be sure to let me know down in the comments and like this video. And I'd really appreciate if you guys could share this video with your friends too, so they can see it as well. I want as many people to know these awesome things as they can. I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye!